Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you the collection of jewelry that I made from the bargain bead box this month. Um, it's not my best. I also have double ear infections right now. So I made this stretchy bracelet. It's just a long piece of stretch magic. And I just randomly put beads on and added the tassel. See there? And then I made this bracelet. It's simple but elegant. And, they go together. They stack up well. And that's just with a simple right angle weave stitch. I added those darker purple beads to the fluorite to kind of bring out the color more. And then I used the toggle clasp that we got in the box. So there's a couple of bracelets. I wanted to show you this. Alright, so let me bring out the necklace too. Alright, so I made this necklace. I'm going to take off some of the chain, but I made this necklace with the tassels from this. Remember the round component that had the 4 tassels? I didn't like that. So I took the tassels off and used them in a necklace that I'm going to stack with another necklace here in a minute. But here I did add peridot chips to the wreath stamping that we got. Let me move my hand so you can see. I put a pin on the back and I made a brooch, and I used that round component that the tassels were hanging from as a sort of a backing, something to sew that stamping to, and I made that wreath. And I also used the purple rondelles, the little purple rondelles as, the berries. I didn't want to put bright red. Well, we didn't have any little small bright red, or I guess I could have put the bright red because it does go, but I think this blends in well. It's a more, I don't know, sophisticated look for Christmas. Okay, and then I made this it's like a lariat style necklace. It's kind of asymmetric. It's got one bead on that bead on one side. Gosh, I'm not seeing it's not very clear in my viewfinder from back there. But see, I've got the clasp here in the center with this tassel and the beads. And I thought that would look nice if this up closer to the neckline and then had this maybe a little longer. You can't even see it all in this. Okay. And then put that there. And I made some earrings. Here. With the components, the gold components. One of these beautiful, I think these beads are these melon beads, such a beautiful color to them. Such a rich color. And then those cute little tassels. These are my favorite tassels, I think. Alright, so those. And I couldn't not use the little tiny tassels, so I made a smaller pair of earrings with those. Alright, so this is the collection of jewelry I made from the November bargain bead box. I hope you get some inspiration, and thanks for watching, and thanks for bearing with me. I'll be back bringing you tutorials soon. I just know it. Alright, bye-bye.